Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to disable the crosshair on your AOC monitor, then this video is for you. First, if you have the crosshair just like this on your monitor, then you can just disable it by simply click on any of the button at the back panel. You can find a button, control button. Simply click on it. You can find it in your back shell or in your down edge of your screen. So simply click on it. It's vary on the models. So here you can find game mode here, just like this one, game mode. Now you have to simply click on the right. You have to simply click on right, or if you find some button here like right left button, then you can simply click on right button. Or if you get control joystick type control, then you can push it to the total right. Whenever you find the off button here, status off status here, so you can simply stop it and you can just turn off the game mode on your monitor and it will just disappear that crosshair. So if it's not disappear, that means there is any ODS settings that you have made on your PC. So you have to install that ODS related software or the ODS system that you have just activated for the gaming experience. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.